Rational Labs is now getting is, how do I get our users to use the new AI features that our team just built? We spent time, we spent money, we spent GPUs to build these features, and now I need our users to try them. And so thankfully, thank you, Canva, we have an example of what not to do, and we have an example, same within Canva, of what to do. So here we go. We'll start with, as you can see from this page, the thing that's screaming AI features is Magic Studio. And we're going to count the clicks that it takes to get to the payoff. And so this is one click. Okay, meet Magic Studio, very nice. Probably not going to click the video. And now we've got Magic Design. We've got Magic Design for presentations. We've got Magic Design for video. We've got Magic Write. We've got Magic Switch, Magic Animate, Magic Morph, Magic Media. Oh my gosh. I'm not making this up, but we're just going to do ordering effect and, pick the first one, the Magic Design. So here we go. Okay, so that was a second click. Now we're going to get to our third click, our third opt-in to saying, do you want to try AI features? I'm having to say yes 3 times. Now, why does this matter? It's because every single click is not only a logistical barrier and friction to getting me to do something, but it's a psychological barrier. I have to make a decision about what to do and what not to do. That's why defaults are so powerful. It's basically you don't have to make a decision, but every time you ask a user to make a decision, there's going to be drop off. They're not going to do it. So by asking me to make 3 decisions here, kind of dead in the water. So let's see what the payoff is though. Okay. So this is the payoff. I've done this multiple times. This is not a user error. This is just what happens each time, which is I'm defaulted to some search bar to search my contact. I have no idea what to do at this point, but that's not the point of this overview. It's that we've asked me 3 times to do a thing, and the payoff is at the end. How could we do it? And this is where Canva actually does it pretty nicely. So we're going to go back to the home where I say, actually, I don't need that Magic AI Studio. I'm just going to do the thing I'm normally doing in Canva, which is edit designs. And so I'm going to edit this design. We're doing a summary of lessons from looking at successful consumer companies. Wonderful. And I'm just going to edit it like normal. I'm clicking around. So now imagine that I'm clicking around like this and I'm just editing my slide. This is a fine design. It's fine. And I'm playing around. Okay, now in line here, Canva gives me some cool, and I don't know if they would brand this as their generative AI magic moments, but it kind of is, where it is magic, where I can go like, ooh, that's probably a cleaner design. What about this? This is kind of a clean, this is actually maybe not that amazing. But within seconds, I can see different designs for a pretty, normal slide that I would have. We can try it out for this one, right? Different ways that I could design this slide. We could try it out for this. Different ways that I could design this slide. So Canva has showed me the benefit without asking me, do you want to try AI? And that's probably the big unlock here, is that AI can be magical. But the idea of asking someone, do you want magic, would likely decrease the amount of people who actually want your magic. So would think about kind of the funnel, like we have to do it every single kind of user behavior, key behavior. What is the funnel to get me to do the thing? And how do you take away steps from that, decrease barriers and move the benefit, the time to value? Here we go. Lesson 1, what happens right away matters. Move the value up. So I hope you found this valuable.